Yeah, some of y'all know this one. First of all, I'd like to say good evening. And we're so pleased that so many of you could come out and share in all the love and happiness we have in store for you. We want you to have a real good time because that's just what we have in mind. Is that all right with you? Now this is a tune that Wright composed all by herself. And it talks about, and now she never intended for it to be a recording. This song, it was a personal poem. This is until the day my producer happened to thumb through some pages of my notebook he came across. He said, we got something with these words. Y'all bet it's a character. Oh yeah. I got to tell you a little bit about my mother. You see, I came from one of those pretty large families. And you know, you never grew up to your mother. I never forget the way she looked at me when I played it for her. She said, I like the music, you know, baby, but the medley is really nice. But I know you're not gonna sing that song, are you? But we eased it right on by. Yes, we did. And it became one of the biggest records, too. So I want you to do this for me, if you will. Everybody think back to your very first time. Now, I'll give you a little longer because I know some of you have to think back a little further than others. Come on now, I want you to play catch up. Because I don't want you waiting until I get to the end of my song saying, oh yeah, I know, I remember now. Yeah. Now, whether it's good or you're just smiling, it's good. Or on the other hand, if it was not so good, here's my story.